What's up everyone, welcome back to Foxtecc. Let's talk about the Wi-Fi and how you can use it on a GPS Apple Watch. For those who might not know, a GPS Apple Watch refers to the standard Apple Watch that lacks cellular capabilities and doesn't have the option to use an eSIM. This means it primarily relies on your paired iPhone for internet connectivity. However, it can still connect to Wi-Fi independently when needed. Let's dive into how this works and how you can make the most of it. First, it's important to understand how the GPS Apple Watch uses internet connections. Typically, your Apple Watch uses the internet connection from your paired iPhone. This seamless integration allows your watch to stay connected and perform various tasks like receiving notifications, accessing apps, and more. But what happens when your iPhone isn't nearby or is turned off? That's where Wi-Fi comes in. To enable Wi-Fi on your Apple Watch, start by swiping up from the watch face to access the control center. Here, you'll see a variety of icons. Look for the Wi-Fi icon and tap it to turn on Wi-Fi. If you want to connect to a specific network, you can hold down the Wi-Fi icon, which will bring up a list of available networks. Select the network you want to join, enter the password if necessary, and your Apple Watch will connect to that Wi-Fi network. When your iPhone is off or out of range, the Apple Watch automatically switches to Wi-Fi for internet connectivity. This ensures that you can still use internet-dependent features like Siri, weather updates, and more. It's a handy feature that keeps your watch functional, even without your iPhone nearby. Customizing Wi-Fi settings on your Apple Watch is also straightforward. After selecting a network and entering the password, you can configure options such as auto join, which will allow your Apple Watch to connect to that network automatically in the future. You can also choose to forget a network if you no longer want your watch to connect to it. One thing to note is that if you turn off Wi-Fi on your Apple Watch, it will disable internet functions until your iPhone is reconnected. This is crucial to remember, especially if you rely on features that need an internet connection. Even though some Apple Watches have cellular capabilities, without a SIM card installed, they will not connect to the internet unless connected to Wi-Fi or paired with an iPhone. By following these steps, you can ensure that your GPS Apple Watch remains connected to the internet, allowing you to take full advantage of its features. Whether you're using Siri, checking the weather, or staying updated with notifications, a stable Wi-Fi connection keeps your watch working smoothly, even when your iPhone isn't around. Thank you for watching this video on Foxtecc. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. Peace.